Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I know you guys have been thinking of me doing Harley Quinn, and I want to do that. I found like the wig that I wanted to paint, and I painted it already. I'm just letting it dry a little bit more. But then I also got this fantasy markers makers, of Wet n Wild. I got this in the mail, and it has a bunch of things for Halloween that they sell like at Walmart. No, was it Walmart or Walgreens? But they sell it there, so you can find those things there. So they have like a lot of cool stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys what it comes with, and I'm gonna transform myself into Harley Quinn using the Wet n Wild products, because I did want to try it out, especially since it's a drugstore. These are products that you can find at the drugstore, and you can transform yourself into Harley Quinn. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. So once you open this, it's like really big. It's like a little house, and you could open it, and it comes with a bunch of things. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me just throw this thing here. It comes with a lot of things here. So I'm gonna like kind of take them out one by one and show you guys what it comes with. It's making a lot of noise. So it comes with a lot of products that you can find at the drugstore. It comes with so many things. I can't even, that's glitters, highlighters, eyeshadows, paints, paint pots. That has like liquid lipsticks. It has multicolor sticks. It's just so many things. So basically it comes in different kinds of colors. This one is like orange and like brown. This one's all reds. And then we are gonna go ahead and get the other side. It also came with these stencils that I'm pretty sure they sell at the drugstore. They have like little jewels. They send me different kinds of colors. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get the other side. The other side also comes with blue and green. This one gives me like Ursula vibes, to be honest. And then it comes with pinks and purples, which is this one right over here. So we're gonna be using these to transform into Harley Quinn. Okay, so first I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. You can use any primer. I'm using the Hydro Grip from Milk Makeup just to prime my face. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and use a foundation, just any foundation. I was gonna make myself a little lighter, but I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna use the foundation that I normally use, and then from there we'll just go on. So I'm gonna be using the Milk Makeup. This is their Flex Concealer. The foundation. We're just gonna go ahead and apply this. And then we're gonna go ahead and just blend out the whole foundation out. I even added a little bit on my neck, because I'm gonna be adding somewhat of texture. I do want to do like Harley Quinn, but I kind of want to do it like a comic. I got really inspired by Jordan Hands. She's such an amazing like makeup artist. She's really good when it comes to like Halloween transformations in general. Like if you guys don't follow her, go ahead and follow her. Like she is amazing. You guys have no idea, and probably it's most likely like most of you guys already do follow her, because I mean she has a lot of followers, you know. Next I am gonna go in with my Kat Von D Lucky Concealer. This is in the shade L9 Neutral. I usually don't use this under my eyes, but I do. It's a little lighter than my other concealer, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use it. You can use any concealer. I'm just using this. It doesn't really matter, because at the end of the day what matters is what you're gonna put on your face and all the details that you would add to your face. So that's all it matters. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out this concealer, and we're gonna go ahead and set the face. I'm gonna go in and set my face with the Anastasia Beverly Hills, their setting powder, and we're just gonna go ahead and lock this in. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and we're gonna go ahead and shade in my brows. We're not gonna do something clean or anything like that, because it doesn't really have to be so clean, but just something normal. Next I am gonna go in using my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and we're gonna go ahead and just prime the eyes. So we can start applying the eyeshadow. Since Harley Quinn doesn't have like a clean application, it's gonna be like very fun and messy. Okay, so next I am gonna go in with these Wet n Wild multi sticks. I got the shade blue and the shade pink. So I'm going to be doing blue on this side and pink on this side. And we're just going to use this to kind of like map out how I want like the look. I'm just going to do this, kind of like tapping it on my eye and kind of smearing it down a little and just kind of making it messy. And I'm going to go ahead and just blend it out with my finger. Like that. It's so easy to use. Like, this is the first time I'm ever using these, and I like them so far because they do kind of blend very nicely. I don't know if you can tell, like I'm just applying it and then I'm just gonna go ahead and just blend it all out and kind of smearing it down a little. And I'm gonna just do this and then slowly kind of smear like this down. I'm gonna go in with the pink and we're gonna just do the same thing I did on this side. We're gonna go ahead and do it on this eye. And I'm just, like I said, I'm just applying it and then kind of smearing it. And it's so easy to just blend on your eye that it's like, kind of makes this eye look really easy to create. So I do recommend these. So if you find these at Walgreens and you want to do like a Halloween look, these are actually really good to use. I'm gonna go ahead and get the red one and I'm just gonna apply it a little bit on top of the pink because I do want the pink to be a little bit darker than what it is. So we're just gonna go ahead and mix the red in there and just kind of tap it in there so it can kind of blend in with the pink. Next, I am gonna go in with my Wet n Wild, the black one now. I really like using these. They make them so easy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it to my outer corner right here and then just kind of making it deeper. And then we're gonna go ahead and blend it out with a brush. Like that, we have a little bit more control of where I want the depth of this to go. The darkness, you could say. And then we're just kind of gonna get a brush and then we're blending it out. I'm getting any fluffy brush and we're just gonna go ahead and blend it out. And then I'm gonna keep applying any product that I feel like it kind of needs to be a little bit more darker. That's where I'm gonna keep applying the product. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now that this is kind of done, I do want to just add a little bit more and make them a tad bit longer. Just because I feel like now adding the black, it's like making it a little bit more, like I feel like the blue isn't showing as much as I wanted to. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply red lipstick. Okay, but since we don't want it to be perfect, what I'm going to do is just I'm going to go ahead and get my fingers and just smear it like this. Nothing perfect, just like that. Okay, now that my face is basically done, I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and we're just gonna go ahead and just kind of contour the face, but nothing too perfect because it's supposed to be kind of like comic. So I don't know, you know, but comics always kind of look a little off, like they're not like perfect. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I don't want it to be like a nice contour face. I'm just gonna apply it to feel like any areas I feel like my face needs it. Now that that's done, I am gonna go in with my Mayron face paints because Wet n Wild didn't come out with a liquid liner there. I mean, you can find that at their like Walgreens and stuff, but I'm gonna go ahead and use this water activated paint, and we're gonna be using this to add all those little lines that I want to be creating. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this and kind of contour. Just doing it on the areas where comics like kind of contour the face and you can kind of tell the definition of the face. So I'm doing the jawline right over here. I'm going to do that. My cheekbones, my brows, the nose, the lips, anywhere to emphasize where there would be like structure in the face. So we're just going to go ahead, and you know in the comics they always have like those little weird lines. That's what I'm going to do, and that's what I saw Jordan Hans do. So that is what I'm going to be doing to my face. So we're just going to keep doing this and kind of bringing him down. What I'm doing is I'm going to be flicking my brush up. Okay, now with my white paint pot that I already have from the Wet n Wild one, as you can tell, we have it right here. I'm gonna be using this and use this as any highlights for the face. So any place that I kind of added that black, I'm gonna be using this to highlight in the areas, so it just looks a little bit more and kind of pops it out a bit more. Dude, honestly, watching Jordan Hand's look of this really inspired me to try to do a look like this. I've always wanted to do like a comic look one, see her picture, and I was like, okay, this is nice. So I'm a little bit inspired, but I did recreate her look. So if you guys haven't checked it out, I really recommend you guys checking it out because it is so good, guys. Like, I really do recommend it. So I'm just literally plotting it anywhere where I feel like it needs to be a little bit more highlighted. Okay, so basically now that my face is done, I ended up putting lashes off camera because you guys don't really need to see that. Any lashes will be fine. I put some really full lashes, so now I'm gonna focus on this part. Since when I do pictures for Instagram, I only do this part. I don't do like the rest of my body. I'm only gonna focus right here. So we're just gonna add some definition to the rest of my body. So we're gonna go ahead and use like a bigger brush, and we're gonna wet it, and we're gonna be using this to add a little bit more of dimension to the colors of my bone and this part of my neck, and kind of make it look a bit more comic-y for you guys. So we're gonna start at the jawline, kind of the way I did my face, but we're gonna be doing it right here. And what we're gonna do is just kind of add like this, and then blending it out downwards like this. Kind of like that. And then I'm gonna go in with my other brush and then add like those little lines of details that I like to do. Kind of like that. And then with a bigger brush, I am gonna add all those other details, but right here under the neck. And then we're gonna go in with this white, and we're gonna be using the same thing how I added all the other details to make it stand out more. That's what we're gonna be doing, but to the collarbone, we're gonna add there. Okay, now we're gonna just add a little bit more depth to my collarbone and everything. So I'm just getting like this little angled brush and the Shading Light contour palette from Kat Von D, and we're just gonna deepen it a little bit more like this. See that? And we're gonna do the same thing on this side. And we're just basically adding any detail to this face right here and just kind of make it like that. And if you feel like it's too much, then you can just go ahead and get the white and kind of blend it out so it doesn't look too harsh. So I'm gonna go in with this, and we're just kind of blending it out. It looks a little messy, but that's kind of how I want it to look. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on now, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back. I painted my wig with these paints from Mayron. I just painted them blue. This one I was red, but added a bit of pink so it can kind of, no, I'm sorry, it was red, but I added a little bit of white so it can kind of make it pink. I know it still kind of looks red, but I feel like it's my lighting because it's kind of yellow right now. But yeah, this is the final look, guys. Okay guys, so I hope you guys really like this Harley Quinn look, comic kind of style. I am so grateful that Jordan Hands inspired me to create this. Like, I got so much like the way I kind of did it, I kind of got it from her, to be honest. So shout out to her, inspired and somewhat recreated by her. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys really like this look. If you guys like this look, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share it with anybody that wants to be Harley Quinn for Halloween. Go ahead and comment your thoughts. It would help out my channel out a lot. It will really help it out a lot, trust me. If you guys like do this and comment, It helps out a lot. Also, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and please subscribe. It would mean a lot to me to have you part of my little family. I will try to do obviously more Halloween looks for you guys. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for watching this video. And if you guys are not following me on Instagram and Twitter, go ahead and follow me there. I post my Halloween looks there. And if I don't do any Halloween videos, I obviously still do Halloween looks on my Instagram. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. You guys are the best. Thank you guys so much, and hope to see you guys next time.